Hi there, Desiree from InQB LCCS here again. So following on from the last 2 weeks where we spoke about accounting and audit, next up we're going to talk about tax filing, which is also related, and we're going to touch upon tax exemption. What do you need to know? So first, your first profits tax return will be issued by the Inland Revenue Department within the first 18 months of incorporation of your company. You'll have 3 months to file it, and then after that you'll be required to file on an annual basis. And for that you will only be given a month to file. Now there are some exceptions. So if you haven't commenced any business or you are not making any profit yet, the Inland Revenue Department will not issue another profits tax return for roughly 3 years usually. Okay, in that period of time, you are responsible for reporting to the Inland Revenue Department if you have commenced business or if you have made a profit, and you do that by way of audited accounts. Okay. Now in Hong Kong, we have a 2-tier tax system introduced as of the 1st of April 2018. So that means you're only charged a tax rate of 8.25% on the first 2 million profits made by your company. Anything above that is taxed at a rate of 16.5%. So overall, the rate here in Hong Kong is quite low. So most people opt to just simply pay tax in Hong Kong. But I know some of you may be considering tax exemption. So we have a territorial tax system in Hong Kong, which means that profits derived in Hong Kong are taxed. Now, that doesn't mean, however, that automatically any profits that are made overseas are not taxed. You need to apply for tax exemption. Note that it's an expensive and can be quite a lengthy process. As in the first few years, if you're not making any business or if you haven't made any profit, then Inland Revenue Department will not ask you the questions to verify your status yet as an offshore entity. Also note that it's an ongoing process. So if you do manage to get offshore status, it's not a one-off. They will keep asking you questions, usually every 3 years, to verify that your status as an offshore entity is still valid. So generally speaking, we say that it's only really worth to apply for tax exemption if you're going to have a lot of profit and if you foresee substantial development. So that's up to you how you want to proceed that way. But yeah, if you have any questions, please do send us an email, drop us a message as always. Hope that was helpful to you today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.